Welcome. In front of me is a ULEFONE Note 8P, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into recovery mode. And to get started, you want to hold power key, and from there select power off. Once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up, both keys at the same time. This will take you to the boot mode, so in here you want to use only volume up to navigate, and you want to select the first option, which is recovery mode. As you can see, you just cycle through it till you have the arrow on the recovery mode, and then press volume down to confirm it. And as you can see, we are now in the recovery mode. And here you can use both of the volume keys to navigate, as you can see, and then power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And you have several different options, so we can reboot the device and go back to Android. We can reboot to bootloader, which will take us back, enter fast boot mode, apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data or cache partition, mount system, view logs, and run tests, along with lastly powering off the device. Sorry for that. So from here, I'm gonna stick with the reboot system now to go back to Android and then confirm it with power key. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.